animal world is really exciting. Shall we go on a trip to explore them? Are you ready to join me? The Toco toucan, also known as the common toucan or giant toucan, is the largest and probably the best-known species in the toucan family. It is found in semi-open habitats throughout a large part of Central and Eastern South America. It is a common attraction in zoos. The Toco toucan has conspicuously contrasting plumage with a mainly black body, a white throat, chest and upper tail coverts, and red undertail coverts. What appears to be a blue iris is actually thin blue skin around the eye. This blue skin is surrounded by another ring of bare, orange skin. The most noticeable feature, however, is its huge bill, which is yellow-orange, tending to deeper reddish-orange on its lower sections and culmen, and with a black base and large spot on the tip. It looks heavy, but as in other toucans it is relatively light, because the inside largely is hollow. The tongue is nearly as long as the bill and very flat. This species is the largest toucan and the largest representative of the order Piciformes. Other than the size difference, there are no external differences between the sexes. Juveniles are duller and shorter billed than adults. Its voice consists of a deep, coarse croaking, often repeated every few seconds. It also has a rattling call and will bill-clack. The bill is the largest relative to body size of all birds, providing 30 to 50% of its body surface area, although another neotropical species, the sword-billed hummingbird, has a longer bill relative to its body length. It was called by Buffon a grossly monstrous appendage. Diverse functions have been suggested. The Toco toucan eats fruit using its bill to pluck them from trees, but also insects, frogs, small reptiles, small birds and their eggs and nestlings. The long bill is useful for reaching things that otherwise would be out of reach. It is typically seen in pairs or small groups. In flight it alternates between a burst of rapid flaps with the relatively short, rounded wings, and gliding. Nesting is seasonal, but timing differs between regions. The nest is typically placed high in a tree and consists of a cavity, at least part of which is excavated by the parent birds themselves. It has also been recorded nesting in holes in earth banks and terrestrial termite nests. Their reproduction cycle is annual. The female usually lays 2 to 4 eggs a few days after mating. The eggs are incubated by both sexes and hatch after 17 to 18 days. These birds are very protective of themselves and their chicks. I hope you enjoyed it. Sincere thanks for being a wildlife fan. I will look forward to your next visit. Till then, keep smiling,